If you want to search for a song on OPPO Find X9 in order to recognize the music, you can use the circle to search feature, for example. So you can press and hold your finger on the home screen, or you can press and hold your finger on the navigation bar, depending on the navigation type that you use, whether it is 3 buttons navigation or gestures navigation. Once you open the Google's circle to search overlay, then over here we can tap on this button in order to start searching for a song. So if there is a song being played in the background, then the phone can actually recognize it, or actually the app, and then you will get the Google search result of that song, of the title and the artist, of course. Besides that, instead of using circle to search, you can also open quick settings or the control center, tap on this pen icon over here at the top, and then the plus button on the left side, and over here we can find the song search option. We can add it to the control center and we can use this instead. This is the same thing, but it might be just more convenient to use. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.